Welcome back to the channel, guys. We're about to unveil our third giveaway car. In the past, we've given away a ProCharge C5 with $10,000, a twin-turbo GT350 with $15,000, and it's been just an incredible experience to give back to our fans, the people that support us the most, and hand over the keys to a badass street car and a big wad of cash. 1320 Video is back with another car giveaway, and it's our best one yet. For the next car, we wanted to switch things up a little bit and pick a dream import car at the top of people's lists. I present to you our Nissan GTR. This car we're giving away with $15,000 cash, a complete street shine package, and a 1320 Video Edition Draggy. This Nissan GTR behind me is a beautiful pearl white. It's extremely clean with only 26,000 miles. It's all-wheel drive and comes with a twin-turbo V6 if you're not familiar with GTRs. It's not stock. We'll get to that in just a bit. We've put these beautiful ADV1 wheels on here. They're the ADV 005s, and we've wrapped them in the Michelin Pilot Sport 4Ss. We didn't want to cut the fenders. We didn't want to put a wide body kit on it. We didn't want to do a crazy wing or anything like that. We wanted to have a really nice, clean, beautiful street car, and I think our fans are going to appreciate that. And to make this car a proper street car, it's obviously not stock because this is 1320 Video. This is what we call a full bolt-ons GTR. What full bolt-ons entails is 3-inch intakes, full exhaust system, custom front mount intercooler, new fuel system, blow-off valves, new coolant tank, and Adams Blevins E85 tune with multiple boost selections from 1 to 3. So at 650 wheel horsepower, it's going to make this car a perfect power level for the street. If you want to enter for a chance to win this car and $15,000 cash, a street shine package, in our 1320 Video Edition Draggy, all you have to do is head on over to 1320video.com. You can click the link down in the description below. Every dollar you spend is one entry to win this car, $15,000, and everything else. We're going to head over to our warehouse and show you some of the merchandise you can buy to get entered to win this car. I wanted to show you guys some of the merchandise you can buy to enter to win this GTR. These are some of my favorite designs. We have another 100 or so merchandise items on the website you guys can check out, but let me show you my favorite to start with. Our new summer boost we just released a couple weeks ago. The colors on this are popping right now in the sun. Looks amazing. We are celebrating our 20th anniversary. We have a whole bunch of different 20th anniversary merch. That's one of our hoodies. We've got our Save the Race Car shirt right here, front and back, American flag, and we have our Turbo Drip American flag. We're discontinuing this one, so make sure to pick it up now before we run out. Electric cars have no souls. We got that t-shirt. We've got Let's Settle This in Mexico, front of it and the back in our t-shirt and our hoodie. We've got our neon graffiti shirt that we just released, the wide body Charger t-shirt as well. I'll have one of those here shortly, showing that off a little bit. Of course, our 1320 Video Edition Draggy, you can get your track stats on and off the track with that. You can do half mile, quarter mile, 60 foot, 0 to 60, 60 to 130, anything you want. We've got a whole bunch of different hats here to choose from, and about another 20 designs on our website, and our straw hats that we just released that matches our Summer Boost t-shirt right here. Now that you've seen some of my favorite merchandise items you can buy to enter to win this car, we're gonna hop in, I'm gonna go for a ride, show you some of my favorite things about this car, and then we're gonna give some people some rides. Welcome to the inside of our giveaway car. I want to take you guys for a spin and show you my favorite things about this car and explain a little bit about what you have the chance to enter to win. So like I said, this GTR is 650 wheel horsepower. I love that power level with full bolt-ons. It's perfect for a street car. So if you look at the back wheels on here, there's a really nice concave on the car and it looks so good on the back. So other than the wheels, my other favorite thing about this car is the exhaust. Listen to this, downshift. Little tire spin. It's a little cold out here in Nebraska right now. We're just finishing up winter and spring just doesn't want to come around just yet. The last thing that I love about this car is just how factory it looks. There's a lot of cars out there that have been given away, and I'm not trying to say anything about them. Like, everyone has their preference on how these cars look. But if I wanted to win a car, I would want one looking just like this one. Factory appearance with some good power. It's perfect. And when you really want to have fun, go from a dig, put it in launch mode, and here we go. See, that's the thing about the 650 horsepower. It's right on the verge of spinning, but with all-wheel drive, it kicks in and it picks up and you don't really spin much at all. So now that you've seen some of my favorite things about this GTR, we're gonna go pick up some people and go for some rides. So pretty pretty much the rest of the crew's been in some really fast cars, so this just isn't going to do it for me. We want some crazy reactions to the 650 wheel horsepower GTR. So we're at our local mall. I'm going to see if I can find a complete stranger to go for a ride in this car. All right, this could go either really bad or really good. I've never tried giving a complete stranger a ride in one of my cars. This should be fun. I need to find someone that's into cars a little bit. Oh, here we go. I think they'll like it. What's up?
How you doing?
Yeah, we're filming a YouTube video. One of you guys want to hop in for a ride?
I don't typically do shit like this. I'll see what's going on.
Hop on in.
I'll see.
What's your name?
Michael.
Kyle.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Here we go. We'll be back, don't worry. We're filming a promo video for this car, and wanted to find someone to give a ride to that hasn't been anything fast before. Have you been in any fast cars before?
Not really. I mean, I have a Lexus, but
yeah?
It's not like the fastest thing in the world.
What kind of Lexus?
It's a 2006 IS350.
All right.
Got a little bit of speed to it.
Yeah, those are nice cars. This one's about 650 wheel horsepower.
Wow, damn.
Yeah.
That's a lot more than mine. Don't crash this motherfucker. I'm gonna kill you, I promise. Oh, goddamn. Oh, shit. I was not expecting that. Oh,
You good?
God. Yeah, no, yeah, I'm cool.
Girlfriend want to go for a ride?
Yes.
Perfect.
Oh.
Thanks, man.
No, thank you.
You're welcome.
Good luck.
It was fast.
You want to go for a ride?
I don't, yeah.
Got to. He had a good time.
It's fast.
Oh, yeah. What's your name?
Kenna.
Nice to meet you, Kyle.
Nice to meet you too.
Thanks for hopping with a stranger.
Yeah, of course.
I was like, I don't know how this is going to go. We got to find someone that hasn't been in a fast car before.
Right. You said your name's Kyle?
Yep.
Yeah.
I told your boyfriend, but you can actually win this car on our website. All you got to do is buy some merchandise.
Oh, really?
Yeah. We're going to give it to one lucky person. The car and $15,000 actually.
An extra 15 grand.
Yeah, that we can pay for taxes.
That's crazy.
Forgot to shift on that one. We'll try it again. You good?
Yeah. That's crazy.
What do you think?
That's so fast. I've never been in a car this fast
We'll get
before.
going a little bit faster.
Now I see why people think this is so much fun. I was reaching for the brake.
I don't have any pedals. Not what you're expecting going shopping at the mall.
No, not at all. No, I never planned on getting in a stranger's car.
You can't say no to a GTR though.
No, seriously.
What the hell are these kids doing?
That's hilarious.
What the hell? Well, thanks for trusting me with the ride.
Yeah, of course. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, definitely.
It was nice to meet you.
Dude, have some cash.
No.
What do you guys do for a living?
I film race cars. What do you do for a living?
Wait, you film race cars?
Yeah.
Oh, sick. What's your channel?
1320 video.
What?
1320 video.
1320? Oh, I
Yep.
see ya. How many subscribers you got?
Over 3 million.
Oh, 3? God damn.
That's insane.
See you
I'll
guys.
subscribe to you.
Have a good day.
You too.
I love you. Wait, you don't know me? Wait, Mike, can I get a ride?
No. All right, well, I'd say that was a success. Well, that's it for this video. All you have to do to enter to win this car is go to our website, buy some merchandise. And if you don't want to buy any merchandise, you can actually enter to win by mailing entries. Go down to the bottom of our website, click the entry rules. You can find out how. That's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.